here we are in the blizzard. Just gonna let you listen in here. This is the real deal now. Whew. Look at that. The wind just blew those. This is nuts. Just let you guys listen into this. Check this out. And listen. Gnarly. You'll see the snow disappear every once in a while there. This is the wind. Good grief. Come on, thunder. Nasty stuff. You hear that pelting. Whew. For one big wind gust here. Salmon. There we go. Come on, thunder. Wow, this is crazy. Can't literally see a foot in front of you. Alright guys, I better head inside here.